It's always so sad to see a dog go to sleep.
Yeah.
We are Bram and Simon. Archie had to go for his second scan, and that was the most important appointment of this week. All the other things like a broken door lock, buying a kitchen and going back to France were all side issues.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me, I feel at home.
Welcome to a new week of vlog. Today is the day that we're going to pick up a truck, because tomorrow we're going to get our kitchen.
Yeah.
So yeah, tomorrow we're going to disassemble the kitchen where it's now, and then we're going to bring it to the parents of Simon so that we can take it to France when it's finally ours.
Yeah. But first we're going to do our laundry.
Oh yeah, because that's necessary.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And?
Oh. Yeah, and? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. Okay, our seats are clean.
Yeah.
Our laundry is done.
Not yet dry, but
Almost dry.
almost dry.
We've got the van for tomorrow.
Yeah.
And now we've got to hurry because...
In 8 minutes we have a workout.
Yeah.
So,
Hurry up.
hurry up.
This is the result of poor planning this afternoon.
Yeah.
We didn't have enough time to dry our laundry.
No, so this is the backup plan.
Yeah.
Just hang it to dry.
Yeah.
It will take some time here, but
Maybe we find a dryer somewhere tomorrow.
yeah.
But everything is prepared for tomorrow.
Yeah.
We got some cash
Yeah.
so we can pick up a kitchen.
Yeah.
Now it's time to sleep.
Yeah, now it's time to sleep.
I can't say good morning because it's way too early.
It's way too early.
But I think we are ready to go.
Yeah. So let's go.
It would be a cool house.
Yeah. It would be big.
Yeah. So maybe after the house in France.
No.
Why not?
Just no. No. Well, it's easier to finish. It's just a square, not all the weird corners and...
Yeah. So what's the problem?
Yeah, it's a lot of work. And I don't feel like doing it again at the moment, so...
We could even take a heat pump boiler with us.
Yeah, pays enough.
I can see us do this next.
I'm not quite sure, but we will see.
We can leave it like this.
Yeah. Then we already have a kitchen.
Yeah. It's what I said. Maybe our next build should be a truck.
Maybe. Maybe.
We're only missing a window.
Yeah, well, I'm not convinced, but we will see.
You were considering where we should place windows, so that's the first step.
First France,
Yeah.
then we will see.
Yeah. Okay, so the kitchen is unloaded. The truck is back at the rental company.
Yeah. And now it was time to take a walk with the dogs.
Yeah.
Because we have to say it, the
Yeah.
weather is just perfect.
Yeah.
Nice
For
and
once.
sunny, not too warm, just perfect.
Yeah.
And I think after the walk we have done enough for today.
Yeah.
So we're going to do absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
And enjoy our evening.
Welcome to another episode of the weather in the Netherlands.
Complaining about the weather in the Netherlands.
No, we are always complaining about the weather in the Netherlands, but we were enjoying this view and this weather a lot, so I thought, why not share it with you?
Yeah. It's really beautiful.
Yeah. We are back
Yeah. Back where it all started.
where it all started, where we built our van.
Yeah.
What is it? Almost 8 months ago?
Yeah, something like that.
And we are back with another day, another problem.
Of course. Well, more than one.
Yeah,
So
we saved them up.
yeah, so it's a day of repairs. Washer fluid.
Yeah.
And
Window, is it?
the
Yeah,
window
washer.
washer fluid isn't spraying. Lock isn't working. Our touchscreen stopped working. And we still need to make a button for the Starlink to go on and off. So
Yeah, a lot to do.
a lot to do, yeah.
Yeah, the dogs act like they have never left.
Yeah.
They feel at home already.
Yeah.
I think it's not empty.
No.
I think it's just broken.
Yeah, I think, well, it must have happened when they replaced the windshield, so
Oh, yeah. Maybe that has something to do with it.
maybe.
Sometimes it's as easy as that.
One problem solved.
Yeah. Bad news.
Yeah, bad news. It's not the cable.
No.
So the lock is broken.
And we didn't anticipate it for this, so
No.
we have to remove a lot.
Well, yeah, I think we have to cut out. A square like this. Yeah.
Yeah. If you're around us in the next couple of days, please don't
Open the door.
don't break in.
No.
It's locked.
Yeah.
So if you stay like this,
Then it's closed. Then you can't open it, but it's not what we want. So I'm looking for. Well, I want to see how it works because I don't know if there's a separate relay or that it's in the lock itself. So
I have no idea what you're saying, but
no.
I believe you.
Beautiful.
No.
A wooden cross.
Yeah, it's not the most beautiful work I've ever done, but I don't have the patience for it.
If it works, then it's okay.
Oh,
Oh, you can do math.
perfect.
Yeah.
That was a frustration for a very long time, so I'm happy this is fixed.
Yeah, I'm glad it's done.
Is it done?
I hope so. Let's check if it works. Well, what I've done is now I have a button to turn on the inverter and a button to turn on and turn off the starting.
Because we always had to go in the back and turn it off.
Yeah, it was super annoying. And the touchscreen is not working anymore, so
Another day, another problem.
now we have a button to turn on and off the converter.
Yeah. And now we have to fix the screen, but
Yeah.
I think we probably need a new one.
Yeah, I think that too. But then we have to send it back and it will take longer than we are here in the Netherlands. So
Yeah.
next time when we're in the Netherlands.
And I think someone is hungry.
Yeah. Are you hungry? Good morning.
Good morning. It's way too early.
Yeah.
It's the day of the scan of Arch. So we already have to go. But I don't like this early mornings.
Oh no. No. But yeah, let's go.
Yeah. It's always so sad to see a dog go to sleep.
Yeah.
But I think
not for always.
no, not for always. But I think he will be okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to take her for a little walk.
Yeah. Hey Archie.
He's a little bit sleepy.
Yeah.
Aw. It went pretty well.
Yeah?
But they didn't see anything really concerning.
Oh.
Someone else is going to check the scan.
Yeah.
But they don't expect anything strange.
Okay.
So now they advised us to go to a osteopath.
Okay.
So we're first going to wait for the results and then I think make an appointment.
Okay.
They gave the contact info of a good osteopath who is linked to the clinic. But she's on holiday now because she has a house in France.
Of course.
So I thought maybe we can...
Go visit her in France.
Yeah. But I'm happy there's nothing really concerning
Yeah.
at the moment. For now, Archie's okay and we can go back home. So now we know what's wrong with Archie.
Yeah.
We can prepare to go back to France.
Yeah, and one thing we had to do is recharge all the batteries because in France it was quite difficult. So now we have made a charging station.
In France it's not difficult, but it costs us a lot of energy.
Yeah, so better to do it here.
Archie wasn't feeling well up until the point that the delivery person brought some new dog food and then he was healed.
Now he's guarding the food.
while Bram is cooking dinner, Archie still has a really tough life.
Yeah.
And then you think he's just watching a movie or something. What are you doing?
I'm making an electrical drawing for the heat pump boilers and our central heating system. So, yeah.
I think it's time to sleep.
Yeah. Why?
Enough done for today.
Okay.
Okay, we were planning on leaving today.
Yeah, that was the plan, but
This morning we discussed everything that we wanted to do.
yeah. So I think it will be tomorrow.
I think we decided it will be tomorrow. But that's okay.
Yeah. No hurry.
So now we've time for a morning walk.
Yeah. A nice morning walk and then do stuff.
Do stuff. So to give you a little update about Archie 2, I spoke to the osteopath and she spoke to our orthopedist, and they both think there's nothing seriously wrong with him. So that's a relief. They both advised us to give Archie a little bit more rest, and I don't think Archie minded.
No, he's not complaining.
No. So that's really good.
Yeah.
That's it for this week.
Yeah, hopefully we see you again in France next week.
Yeah, you never know.
No.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
And we see you next week.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.